Hello everyone, welcome here. Getting started lecture. So let's start. So myself, Shekhar Metla, I am the software industry experienced person of coding, analyzing applications from the past 2 decades. So with the having an experience with all the variety of languages and databases and front-end, back-end tools, I am preparing a great experienced lectures for beginners who are already inside the professionals. Let's see the introduction. Welcome here to use this online tutorial to speed up and slow down your video lectures, a complete program at any time. Learn from anytime and anywhere using internet connected mobile or computer or any other device which are connected to play video lectures. Make sure to practical exercises which are available. And how to get and help. Check with your knowledge using video lectures. Making instance quick help using either Google or Stack Overflow search engine techniques. Submit your questions to ask our QA forum for details on what you have tried and with a screenshot and error code practiced by you. How to approach the course? Best way to approach the course is review videos with your practical hands-on session. And always you have to follow video guide with the notebook preparation, extra information for practice. Review certain information by reading examples, the parts of the video sessions by pausing and playing again and again. Once you are playing like an explanation is clear, you have to practice hands-on session with your computer system. Coding will always require more practical knowledge. So assessment and solutions. You will be assigned a simple assessment on few sections in our course journey. To be test your skill level, which is based on your previous lectures only. At anyhow, you will be guided the solution for the assessment. I hope you will be inside the course. Thank you.